In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install eToro on your Windows laptop. eToro can be accessed directly through a web browser, but you can also install the website as an app for quicker access from your desktop or Start menu. To get started, open Google Chrome on your laptop. In the address bar, go to eToro.com. Make sure you're visiting the official eToro website to avoid downloading anything from an untrusted source. Once the website opens, click Login if you already have an eToro account. Enter your login information to access your account. If you're new to eToro, click Sign Up or Create Account, then follow the instructions to register and verify your account. After signing in, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of Google Chrome. From the menu, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Page as App. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may also see an installation icon on the right side of the address bar. When the confirmation window appears, make sure the app is named eToro, then click Install. eToro will now open in a separate window just like a regular desktop application. A shortcut may also be added to your desktop, Start menu, or taskbar. If you're using Microsoft Edge instead, open the three-dot menu, select Apps, and then choose Install this site as an app. You can now launch eToro directly from the shortcut whenever you want to access your portfolio or explore the platform. Keep in mind that investing and trading involve risk, so consider using eToro's virtual portfolio to practice before using real money. And that's how you install eToro on a Windows laptop.